What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and I'm super excited to announce that we now can use web widgets from the App Marketplace right within our website and funnel builder. That's right, we can now add a series of widgets that we currently have access to and new ones that developers are going to create from the App Marketplace, and we can use them right within our website and funnel builder. It's incredibly exciting, so let's dive right in. Here we are. You can access this in any of your website or funnel builders. And if you click the plus button on the left-hand side to add in new elements, you will now see the widget marketplace is embedded right within the website and funnel builder, which is incredibly exciting. We now have access to all of these different app widgets that we can throw on to any of our websites just by clicking install right here. As you can see, there's currently 7 widgets available right now, and there are going to be more to come as developers can now create web widgets and get them listed right here within the widget marketplace. In order to use any of these widgets, for example, this testimonial widget, all we have to do is click install, and then it will take us to a hyperlink to the embedded iframe to the app marketplace within this sub account. Then right from this screen, we can click install and then click allow and install in order to install this web widget onto our sub account. Shout out to Level Up Marketplace for making most of the web widgets and some awesome apps. But as you can see right here, we've successfully installed our app. We can head back to our sub account where we can now see the uninstall button. And if we refresh our website and funnel builder, we can now see that it's installed. And if we want to use the widget, all we have to do is drag and drop it right into our funnel builder, just like this. Each widget will be customized uniquely according to the developer's preferences, so they might look a little bit different. But right here, you can see our testimonial widget. We have the ability to add in our testimonials through this. We can view different testimonials, add in new headings, throw in images. And when we're done, we can see the widget right here. We can click on it in order to edit any of its settings. Then we can also see margins and paddings on the right-hand side, as well as our advanced column in order to get our CSS selector and add in custom classes and select our visibility, whether it's on desktop or mobile. With this testimonial widget, we can now preview it. We can see that it works beautifully on our website. We can edit all of this information, and it's a great way for us to customize our websites even further using all of the great materials from the App Marketplace. Now, because these widgets are so powerful, I've gone ahead and installed every single one of them, and you can see all of these widgets installed on your account by going to App Marketplace and then clicking Installed Apps. This is where you can see all of these different apps that you have installed. As you can see, here are those web widgets that we installed from the website and funnel builder, and those are now in my account, so I can use these on any of my websites or funnels, which is incredibly exciting. In addition to this, there is a help doc available for developers to see how they can get their widgets listed on that widget marketplace within the website and funnel builder, so feel free to check that out as well. These are all super powerful, and I can't wait to see what you and I can do with all of these web widgets. If you have any questions about the App Marketplace or any of the web widgets already available, leave a comment. As always, thank you so much for watching.